Well, I think this is amazing as it stands at the moment, but perhaps going into the sort of 4D realm, I don't know. You go to sort of 4D cinemas where they use jet sprays and sort of air blasts and things like that. Maybe that could work where the whale jumps in or the polar bear jumps in and you get a spray of water on your face to really bring it back to reality. But maybe that's an option. But really cool.
Yeah. Yeah.